Good morning. Today's class is very important. Most of the problems in today's class are expected in your public examination. So, the first problem here is find the equation of the circle passing through origin and cuts the given two circles orthogonal. That means in this problem we are going to find the equation of a circle. ఈ లెక్కలో మనల్ని ఏం కట్టమంటున్నారో ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సర్కిల్ కట్టమంటున్నారు. అయితే నువ్వు కట్టి ఈక్వేషన్ ఆఫ్ ఏ సర్కిల్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది? ఇది పాసింగ్ త్రూ ఆరిజిన్. సో దట్ సర్కిల్ మస్ట్ పాసెస్ త్రూ ఆరిజిన్ అండ్ there is another condition also, that circle cuts the given two circles orthogonally. Then you have to find the equation of that circle. So for this problem, given circles 1 and 2, given point origin, passing through origin. So given point origin. So now in this problem we are going to find the equation of a circle. So let the equation of the required circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0, which is the third equation. Now what are the two conditions given in the problem? So you have to find the equation of this circle. Whenever we are going to find the equation of this circle, we are able to find the values of g, f and c by using the given conditions in the problem. So what is the conditions given in the problem? The first condition is this circle is passing through origin. So మనం ఇక్కడ సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ కనుగొనాలి కాబట్టి సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2x ప్లస్ 2fy ప్లస్ c ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అనుకున్నాం. అయితే ఈ సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ మనం క్లియర్గా చెప్పాలంటే GFC వాల్యూ తెలియాలి. సో GFC వాల్యూ తెలియడానికి లెక్కలో వాడు ఇచ్చినటువంటి డేటాలో ఉన్న కండిషన్స్ని ఉపయోగించుకోవాలి. వాడు ఏమి కండిషన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు? ఒకటి పాసింగ్ త్రూ ఆరిజిన్ అన్నాడు, ఫస్ట్ కండిషన్. సో మొట్టమొదటిది యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం, 3 passes through origin. So 3 passes through origin. So origin ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తే 0 plus 0 plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c equal to 0 implies c equal to 0. So c value 0. So this is the fourth equation. Now ఇంకా ఏమంటున్నాడో, this circle cuts these two circles orthogonally. That means 1 and 3 are orthogonal circles. So 1 and 3 cuts orthogonally. So what is the condition? Two circles cuts orthogonally, 2g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. So clearly you have to observe 2g. Here what are the two circles? 1 and 3. So here what is the value of g? So g is same as g, 2g. And what is g dash? From this we get the g dash. That means 2g dash equal to minus 4. So g dash equal to minus 2 plus 2, f is f, because in this f is f. So what is f dash? 2f equal to 6. So f is equal to 3 is equal to c. It is c. And what is c dash? It is 10. Then what happened here? Minus 4g plus 6f is equal to, already we know the value of c, it is 0. So 0 plus 10. So minus 4g plus 6f is equal to 10. That means minus 2g minus 3f equal to minus 5. Multiply it with, divide whole equation with 2, minus 2. So it becomes 2z. So minus 2 to divide cheyalante it is minus 3f, it is minus 5. So this is the fifth equation. And the next, again 2 and 3 cuts orthogonally. Again, but there is a condition, 2g dash plus 2f dash is equal to c plus c dash, implies 2g means g dash. In this there is no x term here. So g dash is 0 plus 2 f is f and f dash. From this f dash is 6 is equal to c. C is already we know it is 0 plus c dash is nothing but 6. So 0 implies 12f is equal to 6. So it is nothing but f is equal to 6 by 12 1 by 2. F is equal to 6 by 12. Okay, so f is equal to 1 by 2. So once we get the value of f, you have to substitute the value of f here. Then substitute f value in fifth equation. F value in fifth equation. Then 2g minus 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to minus 5. Implies 2g minus 3 by 2 equal to minus 5. Implies 2g equal to minus 5 plus 3 by 2. Minus 10 plus 3 minus 7 by 2. Implies g is equal to minus 7 by 4. So we get g value, f value and c value. Therefore, required equation is, what is our required equation? This one. So we get g value, f value and c value. So you substitute all these three values in this equation, then x square plus y square plus 2g means minus 7 by 4 into x plus 2fy. So 2 into f means 1 by 2 into y plus c value nothing but 0 equal to 0. So it is nothing but x square plus y square. These two times cancelled. Minus 7 by 2x, 2 cancelled, plus y equal to 0. And take the LCM, 2x square plus 2y square minus 7x plus 2y equal to 0. This is the required equation. Okay, so this is important problem for 4 marks. So simple problem, you have to observe. What in this problem, they asked to find the equation of a circle, and that equation of a circle must passes through origin, and that circle cuts another two circles orthogonally. So by using these conditions we solve this problem. It's very easy. Given circles, given point is origin, required equation is take a general form, then it passes through origin. So you substitute origin here, then you get c value. And after that 1 and 3 cuts orthogonally, so orthogonal condition you get GF equation, and 2, 3 cuts orthogonally, then you get another equation. By solving these two equations you get G and F values. Substituting that GF in some other, then you get C also. So like that the problem will be solved. After getting G, F and C values, you have to substitute all the values in third equation, then you get the required equation. Okay. Okay, note down the problem. We see another problem after this. So friends, see this second problem. This is as same as the previous one. But what the difference between the previous one and this problem? In previous one, those circle passing through origin. But here a point is given, that is 0, minus 3, and the remaining content is same. So you have to solve this problem very easy. So given circles, given point, let the required equation of the circle, and 3 passes through here their origin, but here 0, minus 3. So you have to substitute 0, minus 3 in this equation. Then what happened? X is 0, so 0 plus minus 3 whole square means 9 plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into minus 3 plus c equal to 0. So what happened here? This is 0, this is 0. So this is minus 6f plus c is equal to, this is plus 9. You send it this side, it becomes minus 9. Minus 6f plus c equal to minus 9. So this is the fourth equation. And again 1 and 3 cuts orthogonally. 1 and 3 cuts orthogonally. So the condition is 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash implies 2. So g is same as z, but g dash, you derive g dash from the first equation. Here 2g dash equal to minus 6, so g dash equal to minus 3 plus 2f is same as f, and what is f dash? It is derived from this one. 2f equal to 3, f equal to 3 by 2, f dash is equal to 3 by 2 is equal to c. C is same as c plus c dash. C dash is nothing but 5. Then it becomes minus 6g, this 2 cancel, plus 3f is equal to c plus 5. Implies minus 6g plus 3f minus c is equal to 5. And next. Next 2 and 3 cuts orthogonally. Then again same condition, 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash implies 2, g becomes g dash. Here g dash derives from the second equation. What is 2g is equal to minus 1, g equal to minus 1 by 2. So g dash is equal to minus 1 by 2. 2f and f dash is equal to nothing but 2f equal to minus 7. So f dash equal to minus 7 by 2 is equal to c is c, and what is the c dash? There is no c dash here, so it becomes a 0. So this 2 will be cancelled and it becomes 2 cancelled. Minus g minus 7f equal to c implies g plus 7f. If this is minus c, you come to this side, it becomes plus c equal to 0. G plus 7f plus c equal to 0. Okay, this is the sixth equation and this is the fifth equation. So you have to observe the equations once clearly. In this there are two variables f and c is here. There are three variables g of c and there are three variables g of c. So first of all, you must try to solve, to delete one variable, that is g, from these two equations. Then you get f and c equation in f and c. So then you solve both these two, then you get the answer easily. So first of all, we have to solve 5 and 6. Solve 5 and 6. So what is the fifth equation? Minus 6g plus 3f minus c. Anything is easy. However you solve, you have to solve. There is no problem at all. Minus 6g plus 3f minus c equal to 5. And what is sixth equation? G plus 7f plus c. G plus 7f plus c equal to 0. Add these both equations, minus 6g plus g minus 5g plus 10f, 3f plus 10f, 7f, 10f, minus c plus c cancelled. This is 5. Multiply it with divide it with minus 5. Then it becomes g minus 2f is equal to minus 1. Divide the whole equation with minus 5. Then it becomes g minus 2f equal to minus 1. This is seventh equation. In the same way, solve 4 and 5. Solve 4 and 5, you have to delete C from these two equations also. So that what is the fourth equation? Minus 6f plus C is equal to minus 9. This is minus 6G plus 3f minus C is equal to 5. You have to solve these equations. There is no question of minus 6G. Minus 6f plus 3f minus 3f plus C minus C cancel. Minus 9 plus 5 minus 4. So this is the eighth equation. So you have to delete minus from minus is common is equal to 4. This is the eighth equation. This is the eighth equation. Okay. Now you have to solve these two equations. How we solve these two equations? Any method you have to follow. But any method you have to follow. Or here also మీరు ఈక్వేషన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీరు ఏ పద్ధతి అయినా ఫాలో అవచ్చు. నేను ఎలా ఫాలో అయ్యా, సపోజ్ మీరు ఇంకోలా కూడా ఆలోచించుకోవచ్చు. ఏ రకంగా ఇక్కడ ఎఫ్సీలో ఉంది, ఇక్కడ జిఎఫ్సీలో ఉంది, ఇది జిఎఫ్సీలో ఉంది. సో ఈ రెండింటి నుంచి జీ క్యాన్సిల్ చేసేస్తే ఎఫ్సీలో వచ్చేస్తుంది. అప్పుడు ఆ ఎఫ్సీలోంచి పోతే డైరెక్ట్ ఎఫ్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. అది ఇంకా ఈజీగా అవుతుంది. లేదా నేను మీకు కొంచెం కాంప్లికేటెడ్గా చెప్పాలని ఎలా చెప్పాను అంటే పొరపాటున ఎలా కూడా చేస్తారనే ఉద్దేశంతో చెప్పాను. అంటే ఇది ఎందుకు చెప్పానంటే సపోజ్ ఇందులో కూడా జిఎఫ్సీలో ఉన్నాయనుకోండి, తప్పదు. ఈ రెండు సాల్వ్ చేసి సి పోగొట్టాలి, ఆ రెండు సాల్వ్ చేసి సి పోగొట్టాలి, అప్పుడు వచ్చిన జిఎఫ్లో సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. అందుకోసం మీకు తెలియడానికని ఇలా చెప్పాను. ఓకే, ఇప్పుడు ఈ రెండింటిని మనం సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. సాల్వ్ 7 and 8. Where we solve here. Is it visible or not? Not visible. Okay. Okay. First of all, ముందు ఇక్కడ వరకు రాయండి. తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు ఇది రైట్ చేసేస్తా. ఇది రైట్ చేసేస్తా. ఇక్కడ ఒకసారి మీరు వీడియోని పాజ్ చేసుకుని ఇక్కడ వరకు ఎక్కించండి. అప్పుడు రిమైనింగ్ మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ చేద్దాం మనం. ఓకే. ఓకే. So now what we are going to do, solve 7 and 8. Solve 7 and 8. What is 7 there? G minus 2f is equal to minus 1. This is 7th equation. And another one is 6G plus 3f is equal to 4, 8th equation. So we have to solve these two equations. Like this you have to solve g of 1g. This is 1, 6 minus 2, 3. So minus 1 becomes 1 and plus 4 becomes minus 4, 1, 6. G by f by 1 by 8 minus 3. G by means 8 minus 3. F by means 6 plus 4. 1 by means 3 plus 12. G is equal to 8 minus 3, 5. So 5 by 15 and F is equal to 10 by 15. So this is nothing but 1 by 3 and F is equal to 2 by 3. G is equal to 1 by 3, F is equal to 2 by 3. So we get G and F values here. Now you get the C value very easily. Substitute Okay, then substitute g comma f values in fourth equation. What is that fourth equation? Minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 9, like this. Minus 6f plus c is equal to minus 9. So you have to substitute here minus 6 into what is f, 2 by 3 plus c equal to minus 9, 3 2 times. So this is minus 4, c is equal to minus 9 plus 4 equal to minus 9 plus 4 minus 5. Therefore required equation is x square plus y square plus 2g. G is nothing but 1 by 3 into x plus 2f. F is nothing but 2 by 3 into y plus c is nothing but minus 5 equal to 0. Take LCM as 3. Then the required equation is 3x square plus 3y square plus 2x plus 4y minus 15 equal to 0. This is the required equation. Same model. ఓన్లీ ఈక్వేషన్ సాల్వ్. మీరు గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి, ఇవన్నీ కూడా ఆల్రెడీ మనం 3 పాయింట్లు ఇచ్చి సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ కట్టేటప్పుడు కూడా ఇలాగే జిఎఫ్సిలో ఈక్వేషన్స్ వస్తాయి 3. అవి ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేసేమో అలాగే చేయాలి. దానికన్నా సింపుల్గా వస్తాయి. ఓకే, మీరు ఈక్వేషన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు మీరు ఏ పద్ధతి అయినా పాటించవచ్చు. ఈక్వేషన్స్ సాల్వ్ చేసేటప్పుడు నేను చెప్పిన పద్ధతే పాటించాలి అన్న నియమం ఏం లేదు. మీరు ఏ పద్ధతి అయినా పాటించవచ్చు. అర్థమైందా? మీరు అల్టిమేట్గా కరెక్ట్గా జిఎఫ్సి వాల్యూలు కనుగొనటమే. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం ఇది ఎక్కించుకోండి. నెక్స్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం చూద్దాం. So you have to see the third problem here. This is also same model like previous ones, but there is another difference here. Find the equation of the circle passing through origin. Okay, but in previous problems they give 2 circles. Those 2 circles cuts our required circle orthogonally. Ala ichcharu. But here in this problem they told us passing through origin, having the center on the line, this line x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. So our required circle's center lies on this line and it cuts this circle orthogonally. Here no 2 circles are not given. 2 circles are not given. Only one circle is given and it is cuts orthogonally our required circle, but the center lies on this line and passing through origin. So to solve this problem, first we have to take let the required circle, let the equation of required circle. మనకి కావాల్సిన సర్కిల్ ఏంటి అనేది ముందు తీసుకుందాం ఈ లెక్కలో. let the equation of our required circle x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the first equation. And what is the center? This is center of 1 is nothing but c minus g comma minus f. So center for this is c minus g minus f. Now what the data given in the problem? Given line x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. Second equation, given circle, what is it? X square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. This is third equation. Next, given point, a point is given, it is 0 comma 0. So now you have to understand clearly, step by step all the 3 conditions will be solved. First ఏమన్నారు? circle passing through origin. So our required circle passing through origin. So therefore one passes through 0, comma 0. One passes through origin. Origin means 0, comma 0. So you substitute 0, comma 0 in this equation. Then you get 0 plus 0 plus 2g into 0 plus 2f into 0 plus c equal to 0. Implies all are zeros, c equal to 0, which is 4th. So first condition is okay. Next, what is the second condition? Our center of this circle lies on this line. So therefore, center of 1 is C minus G minus F lies on second equation. So lies on this side. So you substitute minus G minus F in this equation. Minus G minus F plus 4 equal to 0. It means G plus F minus 4 equal to 0. This is third equation. Sorry, fifth equation. And what is the another condition? What is the another condition? Our required circle cuts this circle orthogonal. Therefore, 1 and 3 cuts orthogonally. 1 and 3 cuts orthogonally. Orthogonally means 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. Implies 2g becomes g. And what is g dash? G dash will obtain from third equation. Here 2g dash equal to minus 4. G dash equal to minus 2. Plus 2f f dash. What is f dash? 2f dash equal to 2, f dash is equal to 1 is equal to c. What c already know? 0. c 0 plus c dash. So this is constant here 4. So it is nothing but minus 4g plus 2f is equal to 4. It means it is nothing but 4g minus 2f and it is minus 4. It comes to this side, becomes plus 4 equal to 0. So this is sixth equation. Very simply we solve these two equations, g plus f minus 4 equal to 0 and 4g minus 2f plus 4 equal to 0. So solve 5 and 6 like this, g f 1 g like this. This is 1 1 minus 4 1. This is 4 minus 2. Okay. You have to simplify it. Implies divide whole equation with 2. Then you get 2g minus f plus 2 is equal to 0. So this is 2 minus 1 2 2. G by f by 1 by. G by f by 1 by. G by is nothing but 2. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 4. So becomes minus 4. Minus 8 plus 2 becomes minus 2. Minus 1 plus 2 becomes minus 2. G by minus 2. F by minus 10. 1 by minus 3. This is from this, G is nothing but 2 by 3 and F is nothing but 10 by 3. And already we know C equal to 0 here. So all the G of C values will obtain. So required circle. So what is our required circle now? X square plus y square plus 2G means 2 by 3 into X plus 2F means 10 by 3 into Y plus C already 0 equal to 0. So it implies x square plus y square plus 4 by 3x plus 20 by 3 into y equal to 0. Implies 3x square plus 3y square plus 4x plus 20y equal to 0. This is our required equation. Okay, this is our required equation. So, problems pattern is same, models are same, but the concept is important. You have to read the problem carefully and apply the concept. ఈ లెక్కలు ఎయిటీలోనైనా సరే ఒకే ప్రొసీజర్ కింద ఉంటాయి. లెక్క అర్థం చేసుకుని దాని ప్రకారంగా మనం సాల్వ్ చేస్తే ఈజీగా వస్తాయి. ఏ లెక్కైనా ఇలా ఏదో రకంగా 3 ఈక్వేషన్లు వస్తాయి, అవి సాల్వ్ చేయడం ద్వారా 3 వేరియబుల్స్ వస్తాయి. అదే లాజిక్ ఇందులో. సో దిస్ ఈజ్ ద అనదర్ ప్రాబ్లం. నోట్ డౌన్. We see the next model also. So this is the another sum. You have to read it carefully. Find the equation of the circle passing through 2 points, 2, 0 and 0, 2, and orthogonally to the circle. Some equation is there. Here, what the difference from previous problems here is, in previous problems they give only 1 point like that, but here they give 2 points. So that circle passes through these 2 points and orthogonally that circle. So then how we solve this problem is, let the required equation is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 12y plus c equal to 0. Given circle, given points. Now what they say, one passes through first 2, 0. Then you get an equation. What is it? X square means implies 4, y square because of 0 it is 0 square 0 plus 2g into 2 plus 2f into y means 0 plus c equal to 0 implies 4g. Here 4g plus c plus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation, third equation. Again 1 passes through. There is another point also. 1 passes through. What is it? 0, 2 implies 0. Y square means 4 plus 2g into 0x 2f into y 2 plus c equal to 0. So what will remain here? This is 0. So what is 4f plus c plus 4 equal to 0. This is fourth equation. And again what happened? If 1 and 2 cuts orthogonally. 1 and 2 cuts orthogonally. 1 and 2 cuts orthogonally. Then what is it? 2g g dash plus 2f f dash is equal to c plus c dash. 2g becomes g, and what is g dash? G dash will obtain from the second equation. So here we do a mistake, that is we don't take this equation as 2 because it is not in general form. First of all you have to convert it into general form. So then ఎప్పుడైనా సరే మనకి సర్కిల్ ఈక్వేషన్ జనరల్ ఫార్మ్లో ఉందా లేదా అనేది ముందు గమనించుకోవాలి. కాబట్టి జనరల్ ఫార్మ్లో లేదు, ఎందువల్ల x స్క్వేర్ y స్క్వేర్ కోఎఫిషియెంట్లు ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఎంప్లాయిస్ x స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ మొత్తం ఈక్వేషన్ అంతటిని 2 తో డివైడ్ చేయండి. x square plus y square plus 5/2x minus 6/2 means nothing but 3y plus 4/2 means nothing but 2 equal to 0. This is second equation. So g dash means 2g dash equal to 5/2, g dash equal to 5/4. So this is 5/4 plus 2f into f dash. F dash is nothing but minus 3/2. Because here 2f dash equal to minus 3, f dash equal to minus 3/2 is equal to c. C becomes c plus what is c dash? 2. It is 2. So now these two cancelled, 2 times cancelled. Then what will be remain here? 5g/2 minus 6f. You bring it this side, minus c minus 2 is equal to 0. So it implies 5g minus 6f minus 2c minus 4 equal to 0. This is the which equation? Fifth equation. Fifth equation. Now we are going to solve these equations. So here 5g minus 6f minus 2c minus 4 equal to 0. This is fifth equation. Solve 3 and 5. To solve 3 and 5, what we derive from these two equations? So you have to derive c. What is c here? Minus 2c. What is c here? c. ఇక్కడ ఈ రెండిటిలోంచి 3 లోంచి 5 లోంచి c డిలీట్ చేస్తే gf లో ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ వస్తుంది. అలాగే ఈ రెండిటిలో నుంచి మనం f డిలీట్ చేస్తే అక్కడ కూడా అదే c డిలీట్ చేస్తే gf లో ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ అంతా సాల్వ్ చేస్తే మనకి వాల్యూస్ వస్తాయి. అందుకోసం మనం ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తా ఉన్నామంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ 3 and 5 ని సాల్వ్ చేస్తున్నాం. 3 and 5 ని సాల్వ్ చేయడం ముందు ఫిఫ్త్ ఈక్వేషన్ వేసేసుకున్నాం. సాల్వ్ చేయడంలో c డిలీట్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది? మైనస్ 2c ఉంది. కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ 2c వచ్చేలాగా 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేద్దాం ఈ ఈక్వేషన్. అప్పుడు ఇది ఏమవుతుంది? దీన్ని 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తే 8g ప్లస్ 2c ప్లస్ 8g f టర్మ్ లేదు ఖాళీ వదిలేయండి. c టర్మ్ ఉంది, c టర్మ్ ప్లస్ 2c ప్లస్ 8 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. యాడ్ చేయండి 5g ప్లస్ 8g 13g. ఇక్కడ f అలాగే లేదు కాబట్టి మైనస్ 6f. ఈ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి మైనస్ 4 ప్లస్ 8 మైనస్ 4 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. అలాగే 4 and 5 ని సాల్వ్ చేయండి. 4 and 5 ని సాల్వ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది? 5 ఏమో 5g మైనస్ 6f మైనస్ 2c మైనస్ 4 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. 4 వచ్చేసరికి 4f ప్లస్ c పోవాలి కాబట్టి ఇది కూడా 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేయండి. అప్పుడు ఇది 8f ప్లస్ 2c ప్లస్ 8. g లేదు కాబట్టి ఇది లేదు. 8f ప్లస్ 2c ప్లస్ 8 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. సాల్వ్ చేయండి. 5g ఇక్కడ ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి 5g మైనస్ 6 ప్లస్ 8f ప్లస్ 2f మైనస్ 6 ప్లస్ 8 ప్లస్ 2f ఈ రెండు క్యాన్సిల్ అయిపోయి 8 మైనస్ 4 ప్లస్ 4 ఈక్వల్ టు 0. ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి మనం? సాల్వ్ 6 and 7. సో హియర్ సాల్వ్ 6 and 7. సాల్వ్ 6 and 7. 6 and 7 సాల్వ్ చేయాలి. ఎలా సాల్వ్ చేయాలి 6 and 7? g f 1 g. సో వాట్ ఈస్ g? 13 minus 6 minus 4 13. Here 5 2 4 5. g by f by 1 by. So it is nothing but minus 24 minus 8 becomes plus 8. Minus 20 plus 52 becomes minus 52. And 1 by 26 minus 30 becomes plus 30. g by minus 24 plus 18 minus 16 is equal to f by minus 72 1 by 56. g is equal to minus 16 by 56. f equal to minus 72 by 56. It is nothing but minus 2 by 7. 8 table. And f is equal to nothing but minus 9 by 7. So you get g and f values. So friends, you have to solve it simply. You substitute f value here, then you get the value of c. So substitute f in. Is it visible? Okay. Just. Okay. Okay. Substitute f value in this equation. Anything you have to write in this equation. 4 into minus 9 by 7 plus c plus 4 equal to 0. It is nothing but minus 36 by minus 36 plus 7c plus 28 equal to 0. So minus 36 plus 28 minus 8. c minus 8 plus 7c equal to 0. Implies c is equal to 8 by 7. Minus 8 becomes plus 8, 8 by 7. c is equal to 8 by 7. So you substitute this values in your general form, you get the value of circle, required circle. Okay, we substitute G, F, C values in our required circle. Substitute G, F, C values in that first equation, then you get the equation of our required circle. Very easy. Okay, note down. Sorry, here there is some mistake is here. 13G minus 6F plus 8 minus 4, it becomes plus 4. It becomes plus 4. This is plus 4. So it is plus 4. So minus 24 minus 8. It means minus 32. And here 4 5s 20. This is 20 minus 52. 20 minus 52 means minus 32. And here 13 2s 26 minus 30 becomes plus 30, 56. So some mistake is here. G is equal to minus 32 by 56, F equal to minus 32 by 56. So G is equal to 8 table minus 4 by 7, F equal to minus 4 by 7. So you substitute F value here, substitute F value in 4. 4 into minus 4 by 7 plus C plus 4 equal to 0. It becomes minus 16 plus 7C plus 28 equal to 0. 7 4 28. Then what happened? 7C minus 28 minus 16 12 equal to minus 12. C equal to minus 12 by 7. Then you substitute G, F, C values in the required equation. You get the equation of a circle is like this: 7x square plus 7y square minus 8x minus 8y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the required equation. You have to observe. Okay. So be careful with signs. Be careful with signs. If you have some problem with sign, then the problem becomes wrong. చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా ఉండాలండి సైన్ చేసేటప్పుడు. ఇక్కడ ఒక ప్లస్ వల్ల ఆన్సర్ తేడా వచ్చింది, దాన్ని బట్టి మనం రెక్టిఫై చేసాం. సో యూ హ్యావ్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ క్లియర్లీ అండ్ యు ఆర్ మచ్ అవేర్ ఆఫ్ సైన్స్. చాలా జాగ్రత్తగా చూసుకోవాలి సైన్స్. ఓకే ఓకే నెక్స్ట్ go for another sum. Okay, so you have to observe this problem, and this is the last problem for this session. Find the equation of the circle which cuts this circle orthogonally and having the center at 2, 3, and the required circle center is given here. So it is 2, 3. So given circle, what is given circle? That one is the given circle. Put it as 1, and given center of the required circle. Our required circle center is given here. So center minus G minus F equal to C 2, 3. So required equation of a circle is x square plus y square plus, actually we write it as 2gx plus 2fy plus c. But here we know the value of g. Minus g equal to 2, where g equal to minus 2. So 2 into g means minus 2 into x plus 2 f means minus 3 into y plus c equal to 0. Plus c equal to 0. It implies x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus c equal to 0. You have to understand it clearly. We directly get the values of g and f from the center, because center is given. That's why we easily know the values of g and f. So in this problem now we are going to find out only one variable C. So this is our required equation is 2. But we know that 1 and 2 cuts orthogonally. 1 and 2 cuts orthogonally. 1 and 2 cuts orthogonally. Then what happened? 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. 2g. What is g? From this minus 4x. So g becomes minus 2. 2g equal to minus 4, g equal to minus 2. And what is g dash? Minus 4 here also. So it becomes minus 2. 2f. What is f from here? 1. And what is f dash? F dash from here it becomes minus 3. Is equal to c. C means from this equation minus 7 plus from this equation it becomes c. So it is nothing but minus 8 and it becomes minus 6 equal to minus 7 plus c. Minus 14 equal to minus 7 plus c. C equal to minus 14 plus 7. Nothing but minus 7. So we get c value very simply. C equal to minus 7. Therefore, required equation is x square plus y square. Required equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6. When we don't know the value of c, where we get here, it becomes minus 7 equal to 0. So this is the required equation. Very simple and easy problem it is. You have to understand carefully the concept. In this problem, what they given is center of the required circle. What is the formula for center? Minus g minus f. So minus g minus f equal to 2 comma 3. Then simply you get g equal to minus 2 and f equal to minus 3. So you have to, now the required equation will be taken as x square plus y square plus 2 into g means minus 2 into x, 2f means minus 3 into y plus c. So this is the required equation. But what the problem here is, only one variable will be remain c. So you have to find the value of c. So to find the value of c, what the condition given in the problem is, our required circle cuts this circle orthogonally. So 1 and 2 cuts orthogonally, then by applying the condition, we easily get the value of c. Then now the required equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 7 equal to 0. Understand? So friends, that's all for today. And tomorrow we see some more important problems based on this concept. Okay? Okay, tomorrow we meet again. Thank you very much for watching this video.